Whey protein is superior to soy protein for muscle gains. This is something we already knew, but why? The reason for this comes down to digestibility, absorption, and amino acid profile. Whey protein has a higher digestible indispensable amino acid score, or DIAAS, and a better protein digestibility-corrected amino acid score, or PDAAS, which basically means that whey protein digests and absorbs better than soy protein. Whey also has a superior amino acid profile in terms of essential amino acids and branched-chain amino acids. Whey protein generally has a score of more than 1 on the PDCAAS and DIAAS scores, which means it is a complete protein and also absorbs much better. Soy has a PDCAAS of 0.93 and a DIAAS of around 0.92, which isn't too bad, but is still inferior to whey protein. Lower scores basically mean lower digestibility and absorption, meaning that more protein is required per serve. When it comes to the amino acid profiles of leucine, isoleucine, and valine, which are the branched-chain amino acids, or BCAAS, we find that whey protein is far superior. This is important because leucine is a trigger of muscle protein synthesis, or MPS. The average plant protein isolate has around 7.1% leucine versus animal proteins that have around 8.8% leucine. Whey contains around 12% leucine versus soy protein, which has around 8%. This would mean that we would need to consume around 25 to 30 grams of soy protein for every 20 grams of whey. Many plant proteins are also lower in essential amino acids such as methionine. Most plant proteins, except for potatoes that is, have isoleucine and valine concentrations lower compared to animal proteins. All the BCAAS in plant proteins are lower. In order to trigger muscle growth, we need to consume proteins higher in BCAAS. Many MPS studies show greater MPS with whey protein than plant proteins in equal protein serves. Authors attribute this to the higher leucine content and faster digestibility and absorption of whey. In one randomized control trial of 12 weeks duration, they compared soy protein to whey, and in the trial they matched total protein to the concentration of leucine in each. The participants were given either 19 grams of whey or 26 grams of soy after training, with both providing 2 grams of leucine. Hypertrophy was found to be similar after 12 weeks between soy and whey sources, with a slight edge of course for whey protein. Overall, whey protein is superior to soy protein, and for similar gains, a bigger serve of soy than whey would be needed to match results. So next time you have whey protein, guys, make sure that you